we are back. Today's special, where's it at? There it is, maybe. We are going to fire this guy up open header. Took the exhaust pipes off last night. They're laying underneath the car. We'll get a shot of that in a minute. We're gonna roll the car out, put it out the street, fire it up, open header. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna do just hear it, open header. And then I'm gonna put it back in the garage. I've got a different plan now because I found a few small things I'm just can't live with. Got to go all the way. So I'm gonna fire it up. It's gonna be the last time she runs in this configuration. And then I'll get it back in the garage, taking the whole thing apart. Subframe, motor, tranny, everything's coming out. Everything completely. Gonna change firewall. Gonna change floor tunnel. Make it so it can accept LS. Make it so it can accept 6-speed transmission. That kind of stuff. Get the subframe cleaned up. I'm gonna go need new suspension parts. It goes tubular style, something. We'll get something. And like that. I don't think I'll be able to powder coat the subframe, but I will get it cleaned and painted. And that's the new plan because I just can't take this shit anymore. Can't live with a half-ass. Got to go all the way. We're gonna go all the way. That's the woohoo! Going all the way. All right. Here's the new plan. Here we go. Let's check this out. So, yeah, we come down here. We see a bunch of exhaust pipes on the ground. Oh man, where's my exhaust pipes? Okay, so I'm hoping just push the car right out from around them and shit. She's a little piled up inside with some trash and some bullshit, whatever. It's been covered, been undercover, got the battery hooked up. Key works. We got a little wiring ignition there. I was looking at the whole Mallory unilighted ignition system, which is definitely going to come apart. Okay, so, oops, we got a little fuel leak. Interesting. A little fuel leak. All right, let's make that. We'll get back. I'm hoping a couple friends are going to show up and hang out, maybe help me take video when I get this dude fired up. We'll see how it goes. All right, be back. Okay, so got the Z28 on the street here. Gonna fire it up. Hey, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna start this guy up open header. Yes, sir. That's what I'm gonna do. Fire that bug up open header, and that'll be the last time she's gonna run like that with that configuration. Shit's gonna change for sure. All right, we're back. This is my friend Andre. He's another hot rodder. We're gonna film this. We're gonna fire this open header up Pontiac Z28 400 Firebird. That's right.
Let's get it.
Here we go, man. We're on. We're live.
Oh look. Oh yeah, we're live, huh? There they go. There they go. They live, huh? Yeah, they live too. They live and direct with a K9. And a beating stick. Oh, well.
Sometimes traveling dirt. Watch your video, see what you're doing.
Oh, yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Still watch it. Go up there, watch that gauge.
Hope nothing don't spit out and hit me.
That's right, that's right. Open header, baby.
Uh-oh. Let's get it.
Fucking runs good.
Sounds good.
Imagine having that much fun at a racetrack, right? Okay. Thank you, my neighbors. I apologize. All right. All right, there we go. We still live. There we go. That's me and Andre firing that bug up.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's not hot. It's all good. It's all good. I'll have to back it up here. I don't want to do that right now. You let it cool down a little bit. All right. Thanks, Andre. Okay, we're back. Got my shades on, got my hat on, got the car in the street. I'll pull the car up in here, see what happens. Let's go check this out. Where we at? We're like, oh, I left the key in the garage. All right, we're gonna go bring this up. Bring it back into the garage. I want to be kind to my neighbors, to the low lady I don't want to scare, but it's going to happen. Nobody else coming. Oops, gotta remove this. Gotta take this off of there. Fuel pump first. Okay, come with me. Alright, we're back. Car's in the garage, as you can see. That's how that's going to work out for a minute. Straighten out the wheels. Ouch. Start taking everything apart. Drive shaft comes first. I have a list. Plan of action. Stuff like that. Drain radiators, remove radiator, car support, blah, blah, blah. All that stuff. Take all that off. Okay. It's 100 degrees today. It will be for several days, many days in a row. It's that time I have to hide. I go hide for a couple hours during the peak. And we'll get back to this evening and start dismantling everything. Alright, thanks for watching The Bird's Nest. Appreciate you being here. Check it out. We got our list. Of stuff. We got all our friends are here. Yippee-yi-okay. Alright. Happy bird at the bird's nest. Yes, indeed. There you go, right here. American Racing Drivers Club. Oh, yeah. Look at that, huh? I got that. Okay. Alright, mad scientist. Okay, guys. See you later, man. Thanks for watching.